Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change Agoda password. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on it. Now you just have to type Agoda and press enter in the keyboard. And the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Agoda. And the Agoda official website will be open right in front of you. And this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be a circular icon. Just click on the circular icon and a pop-up box will appear. And inside the My Account section, you just have to look on the bottom. There will be a profile. So you just have to click on the profile, and profile section will be appeared right in front of you and under the user details. And at the last option, there will be password. And when you look on the right hand side of the password, there will be edit button. You just have to click on it. And edit section will be appeared right in front of you. Now you just have to enter your correct password. After that, you just have to enter your new password and confirm your new password. And you just have to click on the save button and you will be able to change the password in Agoda. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.